Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this installment, we have this Lexivon 3-piece socket adapter set. So we have 3 different pieces here. Look at the first one. This is the 1/4" drive one. So it's got a 1/4" drive that fits into any standard screwdriver handle, so like this ratchet one. Just pops in here nicely. And it gives you a nice ratcheting socket adapter for running in fasteners by hand. Good, drop this one. Then we come with the socket. You can see it gives you a nice good, let me unlock this ratchet. It gives you a nice easy way to run down fasteners. Then we have the 1/2" one. Quite a big one. Let me just grab a 1/2" socket. Pops in, it's even got the lovely detent for holding it into place. And yeah. Like I said, any socket handle or screwdriver handle, let's say, anything you can get a 1/4" bit driver into, you can use. Again, if you need to run down a fastener by hand, especially useful if you've got one that's just too far away for you to reach by hand, but you don't want to start it with like a ratchet. Always very handy. And the last one we have is a 3/8. So you can have the 3/8, and then we'll get this 10mm 3/8 on here. Yeah, pop this one off. Yeah, again, very handy, very useful little things. Where these things come in quite handy is on stuff like this. So you can pop it onto an electric drill or electric impact driver and just turn the fastener down, which is pretty handy. Also, this is quite a handy little tool. They'll be watching the toolbox on this in the future. But yeah, really useful for that. And with this lovely little holder to keep them together. And yeah, quite easy to store. So I didn't mention this earlier, but these are actually impact rated, and they're also covered by a limited lifetime warranty from Lexivon. I think that's how you say it. If I'm saying it wrong, let me know. So, but moving on to my final thoughts now. They are pretty handy. They're very versatile and very useful. And that's why I'm going to give these a 3 out of 5 rating, which is a good rating. The Spanish should pop up here just now. And yeah, overall, well made. Can't complain. If you need a little set of adapters, pick these up. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week. So if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.